Hello, my friend. Welcome to Rongbang Communication. I'm Steven. I will introduce our RBTX-4000T automatic ceramic ferrules with crimping machine to you in this video. This machine is very simple to use. Just put the materials into the vibration basin, then press the start button. Then the most important thing you need to do is hold the ceramic ferrules to make sure the ferrules falls down with a good order. Then you just wait and you will get the ceramic ferrules crimped with flange. If you don't hold the ceramic ferrules, it will fall and can't keep order itself. And this machine has several sensors to monitor the machine's working status. The red light you saw are sensors. If anything is wrong, the machine will alarm. This machine is recommended to optic fiber patch cord manufacturers whose monthly capacity is over 1 million sets for one particular connector end. By the way, there's a ferrule length testimeter on the machine. Thanks for watching. I'm Steven. If you need this machine, please contact me. If you want to know more about our products, please follow us.